Hey man, say man, somebody tell me since when it was okay to get harassed at the grocery store by people trying to sell you cable and electricity. If I need cable and electricity, I know where to go and who to call. I'm here to get groceries. TXU, Reliant, Spectrum, and all the rest of y'all. Ain't y'all got enough money? Ain't y'all done already cornered the market and we don't have a choice but to choose y'all 9 times out of 10 because hell, y'all everywhere. Can I just get some groceries I seen y'all here? Your bill is coming to my mailbox every month. I don't want to see you at the damn grocery store. When I'm at the grocery store, I'm giving money to somebody I choose to give it to. I really don't choose to give it to you, but I don't have a choice. You know, I'm just saying. When you see the person with the clipboard coming, sir, who you electricity with? Who's your cable? What I do? Turn and go the other way. I can't eat cable.